Today I'm going to show you how to make this super elegant candy swirl tumbler. If you guys enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also check the description box below for all products used, and I also have a couple links for you for discounts and my Facebook groups, and I even have a mentorship group if you're interested. We're going to start off with a sanded and prepped white True 22 from the Tipsy Magnolia. My paint has already dried and I've mixed up just a few milliliters of epoxy. I'm going to take a gloved hand and I'm going to spread this out really thin on my tumbler. You want your hand to glide over it, but you don't want it to glide like super smooth. You want to really push that epoxy thin and all over your tumbler until it has a really thin, even coat. Now we are going to apply the glitter flocked to our entire tumbler. Put your tumbler to the side for a couple hours and add a layer or two of epoxy until your tumbler is smooth. I typed out the word Noel going vertically in my silhouette program, and then I just made a box around it. And then around that box, I also made an offset. But we're going to just take the box part and put that vertically on our tumbler. I have grabbed 3 different sizes of painter's tape, and we are just going to angle this from the top all the way around our tumbler to the bottom. And we're going to stagger the sizes of tape, and we're also going to leave some of the glitter exposed in between the taped sections. You're going to continue doing these steps until your entire tumbler is full of all 3 tape sizes. Now we are going to grab some paint. I am just going to use some gray chalk paint and coat our entire tumbler. If you prefer spray paint, you can use that as well. You may need a couple coats to get good coverage, but once you do have that coverage, go ahead and remove the tape and also that rectangle we placed on our tumbler. I have cut the offset of my rectangle and the words Noel out of silver vinyl. I did back the word Noel with white just because I didn't want it to get lost in the glitter that we used, but we're going to apply both of these to the rectangle. Obviously, the rectangle offset's going to go around it, and then the word Noel is going to go in the middle. I grabbed some silver nail striping tape out of my drawer, and I'm just going to outline every single angled swirl on the tumbler. I am just cutting the nail striping tape to the word Noel where it butts perfectly. Once all of your nail striping tape is on, if you feel like it's going to lift with epoxy, as some of it does, you can take some sort of sealer. I used polyacrylic. I know a lot of people will use Quick Coat as well. You're going to let that fully dry, and then you're going to add a layer of epoxy. And here is our tumbler all finished. I love the look of this one. It's just really clean and classy. If you try any of my products or any of my tips and tricks, be sure to tag Diamonds and Dust so I can see your work too.